Hi there. Now that you've downloaded the Loyal app, just click into it there. And then click the search tab and look for us. Rise at the Cove. Oh, there we are. Click. Okay, so what's left is to add money. So load funds, and then say we're gonna gift our good friend 40 euros. Click. Okay, so what's left is to add the name and the email of the person we wish to give this gift to. Then, once we make the purchase, they will receive an email confirmation with this gift. They can download the app and make the purchase in a coffee shop. Also, once they come to the coffee shop, we can give them a gift card, physical gift card they can use to hand every time until the balance of the gift card is fully spent. Enjoy the coffee.